Kungaloosh adventurers, and welcome to another TMR tour. Are you heading to Disneyland and not sure how it's different from Walt Disney World? Fast passes, reservations, PhotoPass, the app? Are you thinking about getting Maxpass but not sure what it's all about? TMR is here to give you some details on Maxpass and how it relates to PhotoPass. If you decide to go for Maxpass, it'll cost you a bit extra, but the add-on is minimal and worth every cent. It's currently $15 a person, but that can change. If you are also trying to decide on PhotoPass, here's an idea for you. Instead of stressing out about what to do, take the easiest path. With Maxpass, you can book fast passes on the go using the Disneyland app and use that amazing Disney PhotoPass service as an added bonus. One benefit of PhotoPass is that no one is left out of the pictures anymore. Get the entire group into the picture and capture those perfect memories. Going back to Maxpass and some other benefits. It is interesting to note that Fastpass at Disneyland is not the same as Walt Disney World. You have to go to the attraction kiosk to obtain your Fastpass upon entering the park, much like the original Fastpass system in Walt Disney World. This means you have to scan your gate ticket at the attraction to receive your Fastpass return time. Usually these book in order of time scheduled from day to night, so depending on what is already booked for those return times, it can interfere with your intended schedule. Maxpass allows you to utilize the Disneyland app like the My Disney Experience app, choosing open time slots and booking fast passes on the go without going to the attraction ahead of time, so you can find a time, book it, no hassle. If you are used to the Walt Disney World experience of booking on the move, Maxpass will be very familiar to you in that sense. You do still need to be inside the park gate to book on the Disneyland app, but you can snag those busy attractions ahead of the crowd. This lets you do more attractions and have 2 times the fun. If this sounds like your kind of Disney vacation, Maxpass may be for you. Get ahead of the lines, booking fast passes on the go, and utilize that Disney PhotoPass. No need to book 30 or 60 days out, just get on your flight and be on your way. This is TMR's go-to tip for having a relaxing, carefree vacation at Disneyland. Spend the small fee and get your amazing PhotoPass memories, and use that app to schedule all of your must-do attractions. Oh, and one last thing to tell you. Unlike Walt Disney World Fastpass, at Disneyland you can minimally overlap Fastpass times, so using Maxpass can really maximize your ability to schedule the most in one day. If you're planning a trip to the West Coast, TMR Tours would highly recommend Maxpass. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Kungaloosh!